YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy 360 Jeezy, and I'm not here to, we ain't talking about that right now, all right? We are talking about, basically, I just sat here for a good 2 hours just trying to learn how to get my audio right on my videos. So this is just a testament to basically just take the time to research things and, you know, keep getting better at everything you do. I noticed, I was watching a couple of videos, I noticed like my audio was just like, it was you know what I mean? And I was like, you know what? Let me just do the footwork. Let me just research it. Let me just see what I can do to better my audio. So in this video right here, I did a high top fade, but peep the audio though. That's all I'm saying. Is peep the audio, peep the audio. All right? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Stay tuned. 360 Jeezy. HustleDreamProduction. Alright, so before you actually start cutting, like I always do, you want to make sure you brush everything down and lay everything down in place. That way everything is neat when you start cutting. Using my Andis cordless T-outliner, I'm going to set in my bald line. Now I'm going to contour this to my client's head. I'm not going to set in this line that high because I basically want to see a lot of transition when it comes to that blend. I want it to really go light to dark. So make sure you kind of set it a little low, not too low, but just kind of right below the middle. Using my BABYLISS Gold FX shavers, I'm basically going to shave down the bottom half. I'm not going all the way to the line. I'm basically leaving about a ½ inch of room just to get that bottom real clean and to show more transition. Now using my BABYLISS Gold FX with the lever open, I'm going up about a ½ inch and I'm making sure I keep it consistent all the way around. Now moving on to the one guard open, I'm going up again about a ½ inch and I'm making sure that I keep that blade going straight up. I don't want to dig in or, you know, leave a harsh guideline. I want to make sure that I go straight up as possible because you want to make sure that the high top looks proportioned to the head. So right now I'm gonna jump in using my wall cordless seniors with the lever closed and just freehand that top, making sure that I get that shape that I want by going straight up. So right at the corner of my client's head, which is called the parietal ridge, I'm gonna comb down the hairs just because it looks like it's a bald spot in that area. And the way to get rid of that kind of look is to comb it down and then just to take the one guard and run it straight down. That way you won't have that kind of look where it's, you know, it's messing up because you freehand and you lift up the hairs. You need every hair to be able to lay down to get that smooth look. So now I'm gonna freehand using my wall cordless seniors and just go from side to side, basically cleaning up and doing my detail work on getting that shape right. Now putting on the zero guard with the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now keep in mind that as you go up, you want to adjust your lever. Same thing that you did with the zero guard closed is the same exact thing you do with the lever closed. So in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Keep in mind that I'm kind of using my corners as much as possible. I'm not really using that full blade as it may appear. I'm kind of having that blade tilted a little bit and using my corners because I don't want anything to come off on that other side that, you know, I'm using the other corner, so you don't want anything to come off on that other side by using the full blade. So keep that in mind as you're, doing these blends, taking out these guidelines. So right here, I'm gonna do some detail work. I know you guys can't see it because I'm on the side, but for once I was like, you know what? I'm gonna turn the client my way and really start doing some detail work because it's kind of hard filming and kind of showing you guys and trying to take out some of them dark spots. So right now I'm gonna freehand the front of my client's hair just to match the sides, because as you know, I freehanded the sides, so you want to get the front to basically line up with the sides. HustleDreamProduction. my client didn't want anything off top too much, so I'm just gonna clean it up using my shears and get those frizzy hairs off top. YouTube, this is the cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you like the beat, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Go follow him over there. And if you guys want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, check out the links in the description below as well. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.